I'm skateboarding in, but I do not feel good today. I'm not sure if this is the best idea that I've had. I hope I don't fall off or be sick. I think I need to go back out and get some hangover food, you know. Hangover cure. "50 videos. I'm 50 videos in. It's fun to celebrate with a hangover. You know, I haven't got any plans to do anything else for the rest of the day. I'm just going to put on my comfy clothes and chillax. I have like new hangover symptoms today that I've not really had before. I have like a powerful sense of dread.
What we really need to do is create a powerful sense of dread.
I think my friend Chris calls it hangxiety. It's not something I'm really familiar with. Normally I just feel sick and have a headache. I have hangxiety for sure.
See, the longer the note, the more dread.
I'm not really sure why. Everything's going pretty good today. I booked in a new client, paid off a loan that's been on my back for nearly 8 years. We've booked to go canoeing for my birthday in a couple of weeks' time. And I've just been paid as well. Also, my arm's kind of starting to feel a little bit better. It's still definitely sprained, but I'm getting a little bit of the use back. The wrist thing's really annoying because I was doing some workouts before I fell off my skateboard, and I don't include those in the vlog because there's too many know-it-alls. But I was doing really good, and now I've had to take like a 2-week hiatus. And I tried to do like press-ups the other day. I did 3 before my wrist gave out again. So still going to be waiting a while, I think. But I'm excited for canoeing. We go to Wales. It's only like an hour's drive away from here. And it's like Lord of the Rings style. You canoe down the river. And I normally go every year with my friends. But we haven't really been since COVID, so it'd be nice to go back down on the river. Except for it's just me and Maya going this time. Sorry, guys. I guess you could tag along. I think we booked the last hotel room, though. And you won't want to share with us. You know what I'm saying? It's my birthday. The hell was that? Oh, god damn it, Netflix. Alright, I think I have to go and find Maya. She's making dinner. We're gonna have dinner at my grandparents'. It's good to spend time with your grandparents. Is that all I get?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah. Dinner's ready.
Oh, we all just get one each. Okay. What is it, a pancake?
Potato cake.
Alright, I'm not a fish. I feel like a seal. I just start trying to catch them in my mouth. Oh, oh. So we just finished having dinner at my grandparents' house, and they started to bicker about spending money. And my nan said, "Well, what on earth are you saving it for?" And my granddad, who's like, how old is he, like 81, 82, 83, something like that. Like literally in hospital a few weeks ago, at death's door, really. He said, "I'm saving for my old age." All right, pup? You can't have my ice lolly. It's mine. It's that time of the day when... It's that time of the day where I've got to go back and do the editing. Every time. I love an ice pop.